Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your ZTE Blade A53 louder. So at the first step, open the Google Play Store, then tap on the search bar and look for the volume booster app. Choose one of them. I'm using the Godiv app. Now click no thank you yes or yes agree 3 times, close the window, tap on the OK, and the tool is active, so you can now add this booster power by this little slider. Now you can go to the home screen, but if you kill the process from the background apps, the tool will be still active. So if you want to disable it, open it from the home screen or background apps and click subservice, click OK, and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.